In this recording, I'd like to talk to you about construction and industrial accidents. There are so many possible dangers to construction and industrial workers. It is imperative for employers to do the best they can to guarantee workplace safety. When an employee is injured while doing his job, the contractor can be held responsible because he is liable for his employee's safety. Some of the most common workplace hazards include falls, exposure to toxic substances, electrocution, forklift accidents, and scaffolding accidents. Several occurrences of construction and industrial accidents happen because employers continue to put their workers at risk pointlessly due to simple negligence or financial shortcuts. The construction industry is one of the industries which has a high number of cases of workers suffering sickness, injury, and accidents to employees. Being hit by an object and slipping or falling from a height are just some of the most reported accidents that usually occur in construction sites. Common injuries that usually result from construction and industrial accidents include head injuries, blindness, amputation, fractures, disfigurement, and scarring. Construction and industrial workers have the right to work in a hazard-free environment, and those that were injured on the job may be able to recover compensation for their injuries, wage loss, and medical expenses. In any construction or industrial injury claim, negligence on the employer's part is often the cause. Employees should not be allowed to work on a construction or industrial project without safety gears like work gloves, hard hats, a harness, and safety glasses. In spite of the fact that injuries can be the fault of a worker who does not take the proper precautions when working on a construction site, employers can still be held responsible for the accident if they have failed to supply sufficient equipment and safety tools to their workers, and when they overlook to give safety guidelines. When filing an industrial injury claim, it's important to remember any victim of an industrial accident who can provide evidence that the injury was due to the negligence of the employer or another party can file an industrial injury claim. Every workplace has to comply with certain safety standards. It is essential that one has an in-depth knowledge of all the rules governing work safety to know whether monetary compensation can be claimed. The key to win a construction and industrial injury claim is to consult a doctor and a personal injury attorney who has experience handling construction and industrial claims. Seeing a doctor will help claimants ensure that all injuries are documented. To understand the case and legal procedures, it is wise to hire an industrial injury claims attorney who will assess the case and how strong it is. When it comes to your industrial injury case, the industrial accidents category covers various work-related problems. Construction accidents can be serious, especially if due to heavy machinery or dangerous equipment handling. If you were injured because of a construction or industrial accident and you suspect that the burden lies with your employer or other individuals, contact an industrial injury lawyer at once to know your rights and if you are eligible for construction injury compensation. Most employers have their team of lawyers and they will try to avoid giving financial support. Having an experienced industrial injury attorney at your side can increase your chances of winning your case. If you're looking for more information on filing a personal injury claim, you can visit our website at www.unifiedinjury.com. That's UNIFIEDINJURY.com.